Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are very good. So today's video is based on the book list which I am following. Whoever starts their preparation, they are very much confused what book should be buy. So this is the video for those who want to know the book list about the ancient history. So today we are discussing about the ancient history for the prelims and for the mains both. There are no need to buy different books for different steps of exams, like for prelims for and for mains. So these books you can use for prelims and for the mains both. So if we talk about the first book, this is the NCRT book of class 11th, written by the R.S. Sharma. This is the old NCRT one, not new one, and I bought it from Mukherjee Nagar, Delhi. I went there for some reason, so I bought it from there. If you want to buy this book, I'll mention the bookshop number in the description box, so you can call them and you can order your book. They will courier the book like to your address, so there's no need to go directly to the Delhi. You can purchase it online, and I recommend you not to purchase from Amazon and from other websites. So it's better to purchase from the shop. I'll mention the number in the description box below. So let's talk about this book. This book is Prachin Bharat, written by the R.S. Sharma, and the content is very good. I have read this book. This is very good book, not very bulky. It's very thin book. You can finish it in in a week if you read it properly. Otherwise, you can finish it 1 or 2 days as well. Depends on how many hours you are studying. So in every single line you will get one MCQ. So this is a very must buy book. I highly recommend this book to read. Old NCRT, remember. And apart from that, I follow this book. This is the Aitihasik Manchitravali, and written by Mahesh Kumar Barnwal from Cosmos Publication. So this is a very good book for the map. If you want to practice map, you can follow this book. So one second, let me show you. So if we talk about this topic, Pragyatihasik Sanskriti, okay, let me tell you one thing. As my studies has been done in English medium, even then I'm um practicing, like I'm following Hindi medium to prepare this exam, because I have heard about there are a lot of challenges in for Hindi medium aspirants. So I accept that challenge. If you want to know more about that, go to my videos and watch first or second video. I mentioned there in detail why I choose Hindi medium. So now come to the topic back. If we talk about Pragyatihasik Sanskriti, there's a topic Purapashan Kal and the short description written here. So you will get to know what is Purapashan Kal, and all the Purapashan Kalin sites are here with the short description. So you will get to know, you will practice it on the map. This is the political map, so you will get easily the exact location. Madhyakalin Kal, and you will get the description of Madhyakalin Kal, then all the sites of Madhyakalin sthals. Map is also here. So this is a very good book. You will get to know each and every topic in short form. That is sufficient as per your exam perspectives. So I recommend this book for the map section and this book for the static portion. And I have this book as well, Prarambhik Bharat Ka Parichya, written by the writer R.S. Sharma from Orient Black Swan Publication. So I haven't read this book very much. You can see this looks like new. Apart from this book, I'm following Upinder Singh, because I'm not recommending every student to buy Upinder Singh, because as my optional subject is history, that is why I'm going in deep of ancient history. If your optional is not ancient history, so better to purchase these two books. These two books are very much sufficient. If you want to read R.S. Sharma, so there's no need to buy another book for R.S. Sharma. Like one book is available, Prachin Bharat Ka Itihas, written by R.S. Sharma. If you want to buy that book, as per me, no need to buy that book, because this book is also written by the R.S. Sharma. So material of this book and this book are same. So there's no need to purchase another book written by the R.S. Sharma. If you want to buy, you can go with the writer, but as per my view, as per my opinion, there's no need to buy so many books. It's better to buy one book and read it again and again and again. And trust me guys, if you read this book thoroughly, there's no other book you will need, because this book is very good, very good. This will help you for prelims and for the mains as well. So these are my book list which I am following for prelims and for the mains exam. So if you guys like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I'll post the video. So this is it for today. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely reply. So thank you so much and bye bye.